The next song I want you to study is the Cuckoo. First of all, I want you to take a look at here. It says 3, 4. So for now, you're gonna always see 4 on the bottom. That means quarter note receives 1 count. In the future, you see different numbers, but you don't have to pay attention much for the bottom number for now. The top number is very important, 3. Any song that says 3 on the top, it's watch out. You have to watch out how to count before jumping in to practice. So it's 3, 1 measure receives 3 counts. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The downbeat is strong. 1, 2, 3. So it's a waltz. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Once you can feel in 3, then you can jump into read. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And the rest of them, I want you to read and learn the melody by yourself.